We guide you through how to schedule a message in Slack. So the first thing you need to do is to open Slack on your desktop or mobile and go to the channel or direct message where you want to send your message. Type your message normally in the message box instead of clicking send immediately. Look for the small arrow icon next to the send button. Click it and you'll see option schedule message. Select it, then choose your preferred date and time for when you want the message to be delivered. Confirm your selection by clicking Schedule Message, and Slack will automatically queue it for you. If you want to review or edit your scheduled messages, go to the Scheduled section found in the sidebar where you can reschedule, edit, or delete any message before it's sent. So that's it. Your message is now set to send automatically at the exact time you choose, helping you stay organized, consistent, and efficient even when you're offline.